Okay, hello. Welcome to this weather update on the severe thunderstorms. It's 9:30, November 15, 2020. Severe thunderstorm warning in effect for us here in Nassau County until 9:45 p.m. The line has moved through, and the radar. We're having problems with radar information. Last radar update we had was as of 8:47, and that line literally moved so fast. I got out. I filmed it. Literally, I got there in the nick of time before it hit, because it hit so fast. Literally, it went from. So let's take a look at the latest, the severe thunderstorm warning that we do have in effect for our area right now. This is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect until 9:45 p.m. And this is in effect for Long Island, so Suffolk County. This is all in effect till 9:45 p.m. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. At 8:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Lake Carmel to near Sandy Hook, moving east at 70 miles an hour. That's right. So this thing just raced through. It moved through so fast, literally. And so this is the last observation we had at Farmingdale, south of 29, with the winds gusting to 47. And let's go take a look at the latest observations that we have right now across our area with wind gusts with the line. And we definitely had a wind gust near 50 miles an hour here in Mineola. I filmed it. Amazingly, the power did not go out. Didn't even blink. We were really lucky. 54-mile-an-hour wind gust reported at Farmingdale with the Squall line. And you can see that behind the front, the winds aren't too bad. Oh, look at this. A 62-mile-an-hour wind gust at LaGuardia. And here's the thing. If we look at the radar, actually, let me bring that radar back up here. Where's the radar? What did I do with it? There was a tornado warning issued. It looks like for southern Westchester. See that red? That's a tornado warning that was issued. So I don't know if that tornado warning is still up, but they said that there was some rotation with the thunderstorm over in that area. So there could be a chance of even tornadoes with this line. That's how crazy this line is. So you can see ahead of the front and behind the front, and you can see behind the front the dew points have already dropped into the 40s. Ahead of the front, dew points are much higher, but near 60 degrees. So you can see this front moving through the area right now. I want to actually, let's see if we can do. Did they have a historical for wind gust? I don't know if they actually have one. Yes, they do. Okay, good. So we can do a historical with the wind gust. Let's see what we can get here. These are historical, but they're not listing all the information, of course. Isn't that nice? So I guess we can't. We'll have to wait for the reports to come out from the Weather Service, which hopefully they'll wind up issuing later tonight, as far as these wind gusts go. But they were pretty impressive. These are the latest wind gust numbers. So there's that 54, the 62 at LaGuardia. I'm sure we'll have some. I won't be surprised if there was some 70. So there's also, it looks like now, a warning in effect for the Danbury area in Connecticut as well. So tornado warning in effect for the Danbury, Connecticut area as well now, because they said there could be some rotation in these storms. They detected it on the radar. Again, we're having problems. This is the last update from AccuWeather with the radar. This was the last radar we had. I'm going to see if we try to get another radar from. I don't understand what is going on with the radars tonight, but there are massive delays in both Upton and this is the last one out of Mount Holly. I don't know if Mount Holly got knocked offline from the storm. I'm wondering if Mount Holly lost their radar. That could be. They might have lost their radar. Let's see. So we've got another tornado warning, folks. Let's see. Let me click on this. There's tornado warning in central Suffolk County. Let's see. Multiple hazards in effect. Where's the tornado warning? I see the severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, tornado warning in effect for Suffolk County. Tornado warning has issued a tornado. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York, has issued a tornado warning for West Central Suffolk County and until 10 p.m. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado at 9:28. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Ronkonkoma, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Radar indicated rotation. This tornado will be near Medford and Carmel around 9:35 p.m., Middle Island and Yaphank around 9:40 p.m., Brookhaven Labs around 9:45, and Manorville and Wading River around 9:50. So tornado warning in effect now for Suffolk County. Unbelievable that we're seeing tornadoes in November. This is crazy. So once again, tornado warning in effect for this area. Trying to see if we can get some more information, some more observations here, and see what is going on in this area of Ronkonkoma. Let's see if we can get some more observations here in this area here. Um, I don't see any tremendous wind gusts, but there was a tornado reported. This hasn't even updated the tornado warning yet. But we're still lacking radar information. I don't know what's going on with the radars. Let's go to the power outage numbers right now. Latest from PSG Long Island, nearly 9,311 power outages. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to post right now, so we don't wait. You'll see me create a post here about this tornado warning, because this is such an urgent matter. It's going to take such a long time for me to upload. So let's just do this. Tornado warning, Suffolk County. Suffolk County. Ronkonkoma. And I'm going to just put this right in here. We're going to get the information. We're going to copy and paste it and put that in there. I don't know why it doesn't show up on here. It should be showing up on the red right there. There it is. All right, so I'm just going to put the text in here. National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Central Suffolk, thunderstorm tornado. So we'll just copy this and we'll put this in here. This is such an urgent matter, so normally I don't do this in the middle of a weather update because I have such a slow computer. That's what we're doing, just to let people know what's going on, because it's that urgent, so people will know now what's going on with this tornado in Suffolk County right now. So we'll go to the power outage situation right now. We have a number of outages scattered all over the place, mostly small ones, some around. Looks like there is a large one around there's a large one around West Hempstead. This might be a transmission outage. Let's look at this. It's affecting a whole lot of people here. We'll go to the South Shore. Of course, hardly any power outages on the South Shore. Look at that. Hardly any. There's one in Long Beach. Let's see. We got a couple of small ones, but no really large ones on the South Shore. South Shore, once again, they've got a stronger infrastructure there, so they don't have as many power outages. We go north. We have more, but we're lucky. I can't complain. Mineola did not lose power. We also have an outage in Westbury. It's affecting part of Westbury right now. Some scattered outages up here on the North Shore as usual. The North Shore always hit the hardest. That's the reason number one you don't want to live on the North Shore. Once again, Oyster Bay out of power. It looks like Oyster Bay is completely out once again. Where's this Bayville? No, this is Bayville. I'm sorry, Bayville, completely out of power. But again, lots of power outages on the North Shore, not surprisingly. Also have some around Glen Cove, not surprisingly. This is the main reason you don't want to live on the North Shore. If you live on the North Shore, you have a standby house generator that runs on natural gas because the power is that unreliable. You really need that. Otherwise, you can't count on the power grid out there. So I'm sure there'll be more power outages happening as this moves into Suffolk County. We'll see. We got some outages in Smithtown here. So outages all over the place. I expect there's going to be railroad service suspensions. So we'll wind up checking on that. I can't check on every area as far as the power outages go. Let's go look at the railroad here and see what we got. Debris on the tracks. Let's see. There is no service between Jamaica and Mineola. Main line suspended. The main line is suspended. Once again, this just goes to show you how bad the infrastructure is here. So once again, crews are on the scene working to remove the debris. Service suspended as of 9:45 p.m. I'm not surprised. It looked like it happened at New Hyde Park. 817 delayed. Let's see, ongoing signal working there, right? So take the pretty little Babylon branch. What can I tell you? We also have a delay on the Port Washington branch due to slippery rail condition. Take the Babylon branch. The infrastructure there is solid. Here in the middle of the island, it's just a joke. What else is new? Not surprisingly. All right, let's go to JCP&L now, and we have 15,000. Wow, they got hit a lot harder. 15,085 people without power right now. Looking at Tom's River, it looks like we have some outages around here. Not too bad. Probably it was probably worse further north. But there are some sort of largish outages scattered around this area. It's probably worse as you head north. Oh yeah, Freehold. Looks like there's a large outage near Freehold. When you see that red, that's 1,500 plus. that's out. And then of course you got the northern part of JCP&L too. Up here, that's even hit even harder. I can't even go through all that. We can do what we can do is look at power outage US. It kind of breaks it down by county. So let's go ahead and look at that. And you will see here that in New Jersey, 42,861 people without power right now. And Ocean County, it's only 892. Monmouth, 1,002. Salem looks like they got kind of hit kind of hard, but it looks like most of the outages are in Somerset, Hunterdon, Warren, Sussex, Bergen County too, 7,812 in Bergen County as well, also being affected in New Jersey. We look at New York. We'll go ahead and look at New York, and of course Pennsylvania, 162,000. But New York, we'll go to New York, and then we're also going to look at Connecticut, 96,054 over there. Putnam, 3,743. Orange, 6,737. Ulster, 3,651. Dutchess, 5,572. Westchester, 5,409. I have 844 out of them, none in Manhattan, of course. Staten Island, because it's all underground there. Staten Island, 1,508. Brooklyn, Queens has 818. Nassau has 2,881 people without power. Suffolk, 1,340. Let's go look at Connecticut now. So far, it doesn't look like Connecticut is up there, but oh yeah, Connecticut's now in the yellow. So Connecticut, let's go to Connecticut now. And we're going to load Connecticut up, and it looks like Fairfield has 12,383. Litchfield, 2,253. New Haven, 5,474. So Connecticut also got hit hard. We all got hit hard by this line. This was a really intense, severe weather event, and we're going to keep an eye on what's going to be happening out in Suffolk County with the tornadoes. But right now, let me just try to get that radar again one more time, if we can get the radar to refresh. We'll take a look one more time at the radar here. Tornado warning is still in effect right now. Yeah, there is a delay with the radar, so again, I don't know what's going on. We're having problems with the radar. It's just not good in a severe weather event not to have radar. It's very, very bad. I can refresh the AccuWeather and see if this is refreshed at all. Let's see if I can get this up here, and we'll look at it one more time, and I'll look at the observations one more time as well. See if we can get a radar update. If not, hold on. Very slow computer. Very slow. Nope, it's one. Well, I don't know what's going on. It just shows you how bad the infrastructure is here. The internet infrastructure too. Well, you know, I don't know what's going on with the Weather Service. You know who to blame for that. It's a federal agency. I'll leave it at that. So let's see wind gusts. I don't see any. We do have a 51-mile-an-hour wind gust at Brookhaven. 54-mile-an-hour wind gust at Long Island MacArthur Airport right now. Yeah, this is an impressive line, and I'll keep you posted on this. And then we got Iota too. So all this stuff, another busy time when it comes to weather. Hopefully you all fared okay and stayed safe throughout this. The line is clearing, so it should be out off the east end hopefully by 10 o'clock. But again, we got to watch out with this tornado. We might have just had a tornado around Ronkonkoma. We'll have to keep an eye on that. And if I have any news for you, I'll pass it on. Take care.